The beauty of varnished wood is evident, but historically, varnishing requires days of work. TotalBoat Lust is a marine-grade varnish that delivers the beauty and protection you expect while letting you finish your project quickly. Other varnishes take a full day to dry between coats, but in ideal conditions, you can recoat Lust in only 1 hour. So many coats can be applied in a single day. Unlike other varnishes, there's also no need to sand between coats. Simply apply, let dry, and reapply. And Lust's high build formula means fewer coats are necessary to create a durable, high gloss or matte finish. Beautify and protect your wood simply with Lust.